Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve question number 397. The question name is integer replacement. The question is given a positive integer and you can apply one of the following operation. First, if n is even then replace n with n by 2, and if n is odd then replace n with either n plus 1 or n minus 1. Return the minimum number of operation needed for n to become a 1. In this question, what we are doing, first of all, n is even, then we have replaced n into n by 2, and if n is odd then we have replaced n plus 1 or n to n plus 1 and n minus 1, and we have tried the minimum step to n is become a 1. So we have given three examples. So we have seen this example visual representation. If 8 is even, then we have 8 is replaced to 8 by 2 means 4. Then 4 is n, and 4 is divided by 2. Then 4 is replaced to 4 by 2, and 2 is divisible by 2. Then it is replaced n by 2 means 2 by 2 is 1. So our total step is become a 1 is 3. Okay, so we have written value 3. Second example is 7. It is long. So first of all we have see 4. Then 4 is divisible by 2. Then we have written 2. 2 is divisible by 2. It is given 1. Then our total step of become a 1 is 2. Then we have written 2. Then 7. 7 is important example. You have seen first of all 7. 7 is divisible by 2? No. Then first of all we have moved 7 to 2 steps. 7 plus 1 or 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6 and 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 is divisible by 2. Then 6 is moved to replace with divisible by 2 means 3, and 8 is 8 by 2 means 4. 6 is moved and 3 is odd number. Then we have replaced 3 into 3 plus 1 or 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 4 is divisible by 2. It is given 2 and it is given 2 by 2 is 1, and 2 by 2 is 1 because it is even. So the last step is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we have write these steps and return 4, and right hand side if we have plus 1 in 7, then it is given 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is given 1. Then it is total 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 step. The lesser step is 4. So we have written 4. You can see we have written in 4. So now we have going to technical solution in C++. So first of all we have create an integer for count step. Integer count equals to 0. Then we have create one long num equals to n, because whenever we have plus or minus in n, then which number is greater than an integer's max number, then long int is used to biggest value of integer's max value. It is used long or long int both. And first of all we have use while loop, and when num is greater than 1, then while loop is run. If num modulus 2 equals to 0, then num equals to num by 2, else we have a two condition. If num equals to 3 or num modulus 4 equals to 1, then num equals to num minus 1. Otherwise num equals to num plus 1. Uh, you see why we have used num equals to 3 and num modulus 4 equals to 1. You can write more examples, and you can solve this question in pen or paper. Since you have see the num modulus 4 equals to 1, then always we have minus 1 in num, because it is less step for num plus 1. So you have practice on pen paper, then you have see this result. And last, or if else condition, then we have count plus plus for all steps is increases. And last we have return count. So first of all, we have check our all examples are true or false. Then our all examples are true. Then now we have see all edge cases, more test cases are true or not. So our all edge cases, all test cases and are true. So this is a medium question, but it is easy. Medium because each step is when you are not solve this question on pen paper, then you are not solve this question, because it is a critical point of this question. So this is a very simple solution of this question, and it is a simple question. So you have solved similar question of this, it is not given similar question, but you have find similar question of like this question and solve more this like this questions, and you improve your skills in programming language like C++. So thank you for watching my YouTube video.